Good morning, students. Welcome to your English literature classroom. Welcome to the spelling class. So, students, today we will read spellings from page number 42, and this is the last page of your syllabus. So, listen to the pronunciation carefully. See, read the spellings with correct pronunciation as you every day do. What is the first word? Turn. Turn, turn, only one syllable. Urn is sounded as earn, and by adding T, it will be turn. And what is the meaning of turn? Turn means moving in a circular direction. That is called turn. Like we can say that you turn your head to that side. Okay. Now the next word is burn. Burn, burn. Burn means destroy something by using fire. That is called burn. Burn, burn. Here also only one syllable. Now the next word is hurt. Urt is sounded as art. By adding h, it will be hurt. And hurt means to injure someone. That is called hurt. Now the next word is dead. Dead, dead. Dead means which is not alive. Okay, the opposite of alive is called dead. And here A is silent. Right, student? Now the next word is ready. R-E-A-D. E is silent, one syllable. And another syllable is D-Y-D. D-Y is not die. D-Y is sounded here as D. Ready. And ready means prepared. That means you are prepared to do something. That is called ready. Now the next word is already. Three different syllables. Okay. A-L, all, one syllable. Then R-E-A-D, second syllable. Here E is silent. And D, D-Y-D, already. Three different syllables make the word already. Already means before done something. Like you can use this word like this. I have already finished my writing. Okay, in this way we can use this word already. Already means which you have done before. Now the next word is hang. A-N-G is sounded as ang, and by adding H it will be hang. And what is the meaning of hang? Hang means keep something in a position so that it can swing from the above, like hang the picture on the wall. Okay, this is the use of hang. Then bang, B-A-N-G, bang, only one syllable. Bang means it's a loud sound. Okay, sometimes we close our door forcefully. At that time a loud sound comes out. That kind of sound is called bang. Then sang, S-A-N-G, sang. Sang means we all know. Sing means to utter something in a melodious way. That is called singing, and the past form of sing is called sang. Okay, like she sang a nice song in the function. We can use this word like this. Now the next word is curl, one syllable. C-U-R-L, curl. Here L is slightly pronounced. And what is the meaning of curl? Curl means give something a curved look, which is not straight. That is called curl. Okay, that means the opposite of straight is called curl. Then church, C-H-U-R-C-H. C-H is sounded here as cha, and U is sounded here as a. C-H-U-R, chur, and again C-H by adding C-H, church. Church means it is a temple of Christians. Okay, that is called church. Like we Hindus have different kind of temple, and church is the temples of Christians. Okay. Now the next word is death. D-E-A-T-H, death. Here E is silent. Okay, and TH is sounded here as the, death. Death means the state of being dead. Okay, that is called death. So hope students you have understood the pronunciation and meaning of the word properly. So now I am concluding here. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you, students.